Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today to do a little Toms unboxing, and I have never talked about Toms on my channel before, but they're one of my favorite kinds of shoes, and I wanted to pick up a new pair because they had a great sale recently. They had some items marked down and then you could take an additional percentage off. Plus I went through Rakuten, my favorite cashback app, and I got an additional 10% off on these. So I ended up paying way less than I was expecting to pay. I normally pick up Toms at my local Sam's Club for like $29.99 or so, and these came in under that price. So I was really happy with the discount I was able to get. Let me show you the 3 styles that I picked out from this sale. I wanted something a little bit more interesting. I have basically just solid colored Toms now, and I wanted something that had some pattern or interest to it. So I'm just gonna pull these out at random. Okay, these are the ones that were called Rose Glow Iridescent Glitter. And I'm not a big pink or glitter person, but online they looked, I don't know, kind of more subtle, so I thought I would try. Okay, this does not look anything like it did online. Wow. All right. So these are very glittery. They did not look this glittery online. They look like they had like a really subtle, just like a slight metallicness to them, but these are total glitter shoes. Wow. So yeah, probably not really my particular vibe that I like, but if you're somebody who loves bling and glitter, definitely go get these because the pictures on the website do not do it justice. These are super glittery. All right, so that's the first pair. They all came in their own individual boxes, which is nice. Here is the second pair that I picked up, and this is the gray-white check print is what it's called. So let's see what these look like. Oh, these are cute. I like these. They're almost like a tweed. They remind me of a tweed. Very much like a wintertime style. You can see the fabric has a lot of texture to it. It's very fuzzy. And then the interior lining is also like a knit. So this is a very like wintry fall shoe. It's actually really nice and lightweight, even though this fabric is pretty thick and it looks heavy. But yeah, these are really cute. I like these a lot, and they're super soft, so I'm sure they'd be really comfortable on the foot. And let's check out the last pair that I picked up. So these are the black multi faux snake skin. I know snake is really in style right now, so I thought I would give these a try. Oh, these are actually really cute too. I like these a lot. So it's a gray, kind of variations of gray based snake skin. I wasn't sure what kind of feeling these were gonna have to it. It's kind of like a coated, it's definitely coated. So I think these would hold up really well in terms of getting dirty and being able to wipe them down. They're not like the normal Tom's fabric. It definitely has some a type of plasticky coating on it. So that's kind of nice. I feel like these would work for pretty much any season. I feel like they're really neutral, but still, you know, kind of trendy. So yeah, I really like these as well. And if I had to pick one of the 3, I'll probably end up keeping these just because I feel like they're a little bit more versatile than this, which is really, you know, a fall or winter shoe. But they're both really cute, and they were on sale. I'm not sure if they're still on sale. Definitely go check it out. Let me see if my receipt has final prices on it or not. It does not. But I believe I paid under around 20 once all the discounts were taken on these from the Tom's website and also from Rakuten. So really good deal for Tom's. I mean, sometimes you can find them, even people selling them used for that price. So definitely, if you're into Tom's or any other shoe brand, check out Rakuten and wait for sales on their websites, and then get additional cash back through that app because it definitely makes it worth it to get that combined discount and kind of double down on your savings. All right, thank you guys for watching this quick unboxing today. Let me know in the comments below which shoe you like the best. And hopefully if you enjoyed this video, you'll give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I talk about usually handbags and wallets and that sort of thing, accessories, but shoes definitely go along in that category, so I wanted to do this quick unboxing today. And if you like those sort of videos, please subscribe. I know you'll love my channel. All right, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.